Welcome back to another video, everybody. My name is Gingium, and here we have one Miata, two Miata, and 2.5 Miatas. We have one broken Miata, a second broken Miata, and a third Miata that is technically broken because it doesn't run. Wow, that's not a good track record. 3 Miatas, 3 of which can't drive. Whew. If you watched the last video, you know what happened. If you didn't, then you don't. The final diagnosis is that the Rally Miata blew up its clutch master cylinder, and the Turbo Miata, Molly, blew up its slave cylinder, its clutch slave cylinder. To be technical, Molly actually isn't broken anymore. I replaced the slave. I do have to figure out how to bleed the clutch by myself, but that is not what this video is about. I've made enough videos about replacing slave cylinders. Today's video, it's something exciting, it's something sad, but it's definitely exciting. Maybe if I show you these things, you will guess what's going on. Here we have stock headlight stuff for a Miata. That's right, guys. Today we are bringing Molly back to her stock pop-up. Why can't I say pop? Pop-up headlights. Mostly stock, should I say. The headlights themselves are going to be different. I got some aftermarket LED ones, but they are the stock size, stock pop-up. Yeah, we're getting pop-ups back on Molly. Off camera, I already restored these little things. As you can tell, this is a before, pretty bunk, and this is an after, pretty mint. Obviously, we've had this headlight setup for 2-3 years. I do really enjoy that headlight setup. It makes the Miata look badass and more aggressive, but only when the lights are on. When the lights are off and you're looking at it, I think it looks pretty bunk. It kind of makes it look like a weird squinty face or like buck teeth. It doesn't look good. When the headlights are on, it looks great, but when they're off, it looks bad. I also really miss being able to push that button, headlights go up, push the button again, headlights go down. You know what they say, pop up and down headlights. Let me show you the actual headlights we got. Here we go. This is actually a Jeep headlight. If you guys remember, we installed Jeep headlights on the Rally Miata for a while. Fun fact, Jeep headlights are factory bolt-in to an NA Miata. Same plug, same headlight, it's literally identical. So these are an LED headlight with a halo ring. The halo ring also turns amber. So when my lights are on, it will be white, and then when I turn my blinker on, it will go amber, which I think is gonna be pretty cool. It kinda looks anime, it looks cute. That's the thing I miss about pop-ups. A cute looking Miata. Miatas are cute. There's no getting around it. You can make a Miata look aggressive, but they're cute. I want to give Auxbeam a huge thank you for providing these lights. If you guys want any headlights for your Miata or your Jeep, check them out in the description down below. Thankfully, when I did this headlight conversion, this headlight setup, I didn't actually delete any of the stock motors or anything. I just unplugged them and manually cranked them down to the height that I wanted. All I should have to do, crank them up, take out those headlights, plug in the motors, it should go up and down, and then we have to put the new stuff in and wire it all up. This will be kind of like an OG Gingium video, so enjoy. Let's get started. The first thing I am gonna do is bleed the clutch. As much as I don't wanna do it, I need to do it, so. Entire thing, and then I forgot to check the level in the master cylinder. Sure enough, it was out, and then I got a bunch of air in the system, and I have to do it all over again. So thankfully, the headlights actually came with this little adapter plug. I'll wire this into the stock harness, and then I'll go ahead and add the daytime running lights and the blinker input for the light. 3 wires, low beam, ground, high beam. And we plug her in. Low beam. Oh gosh, it's bright. High beam. Cool. So we know we did that, right? Just like that, we have an OEM harness that will fit nicely in there. Shouldn't get caught on anything. So that's sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. So with both of the old headlights removed and it looking like a Miata during eye surgery, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in the motors. Then we take our pop-up relay and plug it in. Whoa! And it goes up. What the heck? Technical difficulties. There's a chance that both of the motors just went bad after sitting around for so long. What am I doing? Good question. Unfortunately, I can't bring these headlight motors back from the dead. So I'll just put them up in the fixed position so I have headlights. And if any of you have good condition headlight motors for sale, let me know, because I have 0. I have 3 bad ones, 0 good ones. Actually, that's not true. I have 2 good ones over there on that Miata, which I actually might take, because that Miata is gonna be changed very soon. For now, let's just continue, wire the headlights in, put them in. So, in order for the amber and the white halo to work, we have to add, there's 2 powers here. There's a red, which is for the white, the running light, and the yellow, which is for the amber. I went ahead and unplugged the blinker. I'm gonna go ahead and probe each wire and see what it does. Obviously, when the headlights are on, this is a daytime running light, and when you're turning left or right, it's the blinker. So we can get all of our powers for the headlight from this little guy. There's a green wire, a black wire, and a red wire. I'm assuming the black is ground, and then the red is either blinker or running light, and the green is the other one. Daytime running lights are on. And sure enough, 11.7 volts from the red wire. Now let's try the blinker. I don't think the multimeter is fast enough, but there's definitely fluctuating power coming from the green one. If we turn it off and try the green wire again, it should have no power coming from it. And sure enough, nothing. So, the green wire on the blinker is indeed the blinker, and the red wire is the running light. So we'll wire the red to the red and the green to the yellow, and it should work. Now, normally I would say this is sketchy and to never do this, but I'm gonna actually be using just the little tap-in things. This allows you to tap into a wire and add another wire without cutting, soldering, or doing any sort of butt connecting. See, we all know I change my mind way too often, so there's a good chance that I'm gonna be swapping his headlights out in like a year, and I really don't wanna have to do what I did earlier today, which was resoldering in the stock harness. I want it to be reversible really easily, and these are. Plus, I'm lazy and I don't feel like soldering, so. I used plenty of these on the bus, and well, look where it is now. A blown up motor sitting in a shop. Maybe that wasn't the best argument, but I don't think these caused that, okay? The lights still work great, that's where I use these. That should go ahead and work. Hey! Okay, cool. Huh. That part's not working. There we go. Whew. That is bright. Since this is a halogen and that's an LED, this goes on and off faster than that. We're gonna have to get an LED for that and get a resistor so it doesn't blink super fast, and then those two should be synchronized. Guys, these new headlights are almost done. I went ahead and finished the wiring on the other side, so now we are ready to go ahead and reassemble the headlights with the new trim pieces, and of course the new bulbs. I put the bezel on this headlight and then I realized I need to align the headlights so they're not, you know. As you can tell, they're pointing really high. That should be plenty. And then you can see the other one going down to match it. All right, vertically they're good. So the top of the beams are nice and, you know, good height. That's waist height. So that should be fine. Now let's go ahead and put these bezels on, and oh, look at this. Oh, there's one thing it's missing. You can't tell from where you're looking, but there's this little rubber gasket that blocks out the view of that. So it's just a gasket that goes there, so when you're standing and the headlights are up, you can't see them there. And I'm assuming I ripped those out, so I'll actually just buy some rubber and try to make my own tomorrow. I also ordered some LED turn signals, and those will be here tomorrow, so I would call that a huge success. Very large success, yes indeed. Amazon took their sweet time delivering these. It's already 7 o'clock, so let's go ahead and throw these in. We got LED bulbs. We have some load resistors if they flash too quickly. These halogen bulbs get so hot, they melt the plastic surrounding, and then I can't pull it out. So I have to break the bulb in order to get it out. Much better. Much on time. Boom, boom, boom. Hell yeah, that looks great. Oh. All right, time to do some wiring.
Nice crimpers. That's real nice.
Absolutely amazing.
Why? Why do you have to load? Welcome to the 21st century where your lights have to load. There we go. Now it's like a normal room. Huge thank you to Pasha for helping me get those clips at the end. Actually, he got the clips. He did everything. I edited it though. Pasha is making cinematic videos of cars. So if you want one done to your car, go message you on like Instagram or something?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
See it works.
Cool.
Besides car videos, I do other kind of videos, music
okay.
videos, any
Weddings.
event videos. Yeah, so hit me up. I need to pay for rent.
Sell out. You have to pay for rent and sell out. Just kidding.
What is that supposed to mean?
Just what people comment on the internet. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Hopefully you do like Miley's new lights. It's a sad end to an era of low pros, but I'm happy to have the pop-ups back. At least once the motors are fixed and they actually pop up. If you guys are interested in the lights, go down in the description below. Get some for yourself. If you did enjoy the video, give it a like. If you didn't, give it a dislike. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you want to support the channel, I'd really appreciate it. Go check out Patreon in the description below. My low battery signal is flashing. What else do I have to say?